How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my homie Casas to Casa. Today I have an exciting video for you guys, and it's a Target haul. And I was amazed that I bumped into this item because I went to Target not looking specifically for these items, but I came across them and they were in a shelf and they were like actually 50% off. And this lady was like, ma'am, if you're really going to go and look at those, make sure you scan them because they're not running 50%. They're actually running 75%. So I was like, okay, you know, I'm bougie in a budget. Of course, I like the clearance. So I had to go and check them out. Guys, I'm going to show you the first one. I know you've seen them before back here, but I picked up this base from there, and this is the OPALHOUSE, and this was $24.99, and all I paid was like $7.49 or $7.99, something like that. So I picked this one up, and what I did, it was just place it back here. So I'm gonna put it back over there, and that's where I have it at. Then I had to get the small one, which is this one right here, and I like the shape on it, and that one I put in the living room in the middle table. It says OPALHOUSE, and it's also not $24.99. It's actually $14.99. And I picked this one up. Actually, I think it was $3.99 or $4.99. So you cannot beat that. Now, one more thing. Well, not one more thing. I got three more things to show you. I picked this big vase. Now, I have some branches that I picked up at Walmart. They were $5 or $5.99, $4.99 a long time ago. They're like white wood branches. And that's what I wanted the floor to put it in a corner in my living rooms, or two corners, or side by side by the TV station. But this was this is the extra large confetti glass hurricane. This is again from OPALHOUSE, and it was $24.99. And guys, that's the truly color that they actually are. And I picked two of them. The last two that they had, I couldn't leave the other one. And that one was, again, I think I picked it up for $7.49 or $7.99. So you can't beat that. Now, ooh, last but not least, I picked up this tray, also from OPALHOUSE. And guys, you're not going to believe this. This, I honestly paid $7.49. This I remember because it was the first item that I picked up. And it was $34.99. And it was a decorated tray. And it's in gold. But I want to show you the price. And then it has these leaves right here. And it was gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, I was thinking of maybe painting it in silver or white, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do white and paint the leaves in silver, or maybe I'll just do all silver and do the leaf in white, or just leave it how it is. So let me know in the comments below if you think I should leave it the way it is, or maybe paint it white tray, silver leaves, or silver tray, white leaves. So let me know in the bottom comment section below, what do you think? So you guys, that is my haul, actually my Target haul for you guys. So thank you for stopping by, and guys, I'll see you in my next one. So thank you for your love and support. Bye.